Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to have your outside lights well lit. If you haven't installed proper lighting, now is a great opportunity to do so. The winter time, things obviously get a little bit slippery, and if you can't see, especially at night where it gets really dark, if you're walking on some of the ice, you can have potential falls for yourself, or maybe your mail carriers, or somebody delivering Amazon products, or just visitors, or just people in the street. And if they fall, you might have a lawsuit on your hands. So to prepare yourself, some pain, literal pain, and anguish, install really proper lights. Make sure the home is well lit from outside, and you also start lighting your home earlier in the day than you would say in the summertime. So you probably start to light your home around 4 or 5 o'clock. All right, have a great day.